Many patients wonder what the week after cataract surgery will look like. In this video, we are going to go over some typical patient feelings and findings the first day after cataract surgery, as well as the first 2 to 3 days after cataract surgery, and finally, how patients typically see and feel about a week after surgery. Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Nagori. I'm a board-certified ophthalmologist, and you're watching the iFacts.com channel. Let's start with the first 24 hours after you have cataract surgery. So the first 24 hours after cataract surgery, or the first day after cataract surgery, is usually smooth and calm. Most people will go home shortly after the cataract surgery procedure and spend the rest of the day resting at home. Your eye may feel scratchy, watery, or slightly irritated once the numbing medication has worn off, and some people may even notice a mild burning or stinging sensation. This is normal and usually improves within the first day. You should not be experiencing any type of severe pain. If you have strong pain or a sudden drop in vision, you should call your eye doctor right away. Now, it's normal during the first day for your vision to be blurry. Some patients may notice clearer vision within hours, and this is especially true for patients who have really dense cataracts and that cataract surgery has cleared up their vision. But for most people, they're still going to have some kind of haze, fog, or blurry vision on the first day. Once the cataract is out of the eye, colors may actually appear to be brighter and lights actually may seem more intense. You may notice some glare and halos around lights at night, and these vision changes are common early on, but they usually will improve quickly after the first 24 hours. As you can see, there's a lot of variability in what patients experience in terms of their visual improvement and the visual symptoms in the first 24 hours. For patients who have large eye prescriptions that were corrected by the lens that was placed during cataract surgery, and if this is their first cataract surgery, meaning they haven't gotten their second eye done yet, their depth perception may also feel off until the second eye is done to kind of balance out that prescription. So this can cause some patients to feel a little unsteady, so it helps to move slowly and avoid doing any risky activities. Now, in terms of medications, you will want to start using your prescription eye drops either the same day or the next morning after surgery, so be sure to check with your doctor what they want you to do. These eye drops are really important because they help to prevent infection and they control the inflammation that happens after cataract surgery. It is very important to use your eye drops as directed. You will also go home with an eye shield over the eye that has had surgery. This is because it is really important for you not to rub or press on the eye. And most surgeons will ask you to wear a protective shield while sleeping at night for at least a week. This will help to prevent accidental eye rubbing at night. And so that way you don't inadvertently introduce some bacteria into the eye or open up the wound from the cataract surgery by accident. So please use the eye shield. It's really important. Patients can safely read, watch TV, or use their phone later in the day once you feel comfortable using your eyes. There's no restrictions in terms of reading or watching TV. Now let's talk about days 2 to 3 after cataract surgery. By the second or third day after cataract surgery, most patients are starting to feel better and see better. If you had that scratchy feeling or discomfort before, this is when it should really start to fade and your eye should start to feel significantly more comfortable. Your eye is still healing, so some redness and light sensitivity is normal at this point in time and it's almost expected. So vision will continue to improve. So be patient, but again, any kind of extreme pain or extreme redness is not normal, or redness that is not improving, but redness that's getting worse is not normal. It is still normal for vision to fluctuate a little bit during this time. On days 2 to 3, you can usually return to light activities, and your activity in the first 24 hours after cataract surgery is typically restricted because of the surgery, but also because of the anesthesia that you had been given to actually have the surgery comfortably. The anesthesia that goes through your body can actually make you feel tired or groggy, but this anesthesia should be out of your body by day 2 or 3. So during day 2 or 3, you can walk, gentle chores, desk work, all these things are fine. People usually feel well enough to return to work or return to a work from home job. Again, you want to still avoid heavy lifting, bending at the waist, or any kind of strenuous exercise. These activities can raise your eye pressure and they can stress the healing process. Also, you definitely want to avoid swimming and avoid going into hot tubs or any kind of unclean, polluted, or dusty environments. During days 2 to 3, you want to continue to use your eye drops on the correct schedule. And again, wear that eye shield so you don't inadvertently rub your eye. It's best to avoid eye makeup and contact lenses in the treated eye for at least 7 to 10 days. And before you start it, talk to your doctor. If you do wash your hair, do so very, very carefully so you can keep the water and soap out of the eye. Again, talk to your doctor about specifics regarding this. What should you expect week 1 after cataract surgery? By the end of the first week after cataract surgery, many patients will notice much clearer vision. This means colors are going to look brighter and you're going to see more detail than you had before the surgery. There still may be some annoying symptoms like dryness or a little bit of glare or light sensitivity as that inflammation is continuing to go down. But usually by week 1, you are starting to feel very, very comfortable. Remember that your vision may still continue to shift slightly as the eye heals, and your eye doctor will check your eye during the first week to make sure that everything is healing correctly. Even after week 1, you should still avoid heavy lifting and intense exercise. Gentle walking and normal daily movement is fine, but it's again very important to be careful and use all your prescribed eye drops. And again, still avoid eye rubbing. And again, keep that eye shield on until the end of the first week. Do not stop using the eye shield until you have checked with your doctor, just to make sure that your particular case is okay to stop wearing the eye shield. For eye makeup, again, check with your doctor, but usually you want to avoid eye makeup after cataract surgery for at least 2 weeks. You want to have really careful habits during the first week to help prevent any complications and support the best possible vision. Patients often ask, when can I shower after cataract surgery? So most people can shower the day after surgery, but you need to protect the eye. During the first 24 to 48 hours after cataract surgery, it's really important to avoid getting any water directly into the eye because water is actually not completely sterile. And when you shower, you want to keep your face turned away from the water stream. You may even want to just use that eye shield and keep it on while you shower just to avoid getting anything into the eye. You can also clean gently around the eye with a clean cloth if needed, but do not rub or put any pressure onto the eye. We would recommend that most patients wait at least 2 days before washing their hair or wash it very carefully so that soap and water do not run into the eye. After the first couple of days, normal showering becomes much easier, but again, you want to avoid getting anything into the eye except for your prescribed eye drops. When can you stop wearing the eye patch or eye shield at night after cataract surgery? So most surgeons will want you to wear the protective eye shield at night for at least a week after cataract surgery. The purpose of this eye shield is to prevent any accidental rubbing. It's very important because the wound that's made during cataract surgery is typically a self-sealing wound. But if there is pressure on the eye, that self-sealing wound can open and cause issues. So you don't want to have any pressure or accidental rubbing on the eye. You can typically stop wearing the shield after about a week, but you want to check with your doctor to make sure that your case is specifically okay to stop wearing it, because some doctors may recommend that you wear it longer if your healing is going slower or if there's specific concerns. Always follow your surgeon's instructions. What questions do you have about your eye? Drop them in the comments below and I will try to make a future video about it. Hope you found this helpful. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.